Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite dishes and meal. But anyway, today we want to talk about the benefit of ginger, lemon and honey. Oh, it's good for upset stomach also. A lot of people use it for so many different things. Some people use it for cold, some people use it for fever, some people use it for so many things. Ginger is amazing things to have in your house. And I'm saying the benefit of the ginger, the lemon and the honey, if also you have an upset stomach, you can also use it at home 3 times a day, one in the morning before your breakfast and one also in the evening, one at the day. Basically you can also make a big bottle also of the lemon and ginger and honey and also bring it to work with you and have it in the day. So it is just really healthy and good for you, and there's a big benefit for it, and I will put some more information down below for the benefit of ginger, lemon and honey for even also upset stomach. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Remember, if you got too much money, you can donate some to the cooking show. There's a button on the top which take you straight to the donation section. So thank you so much, and remember my blog website, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Chef Ricardo Cooking. Basically today we want to talk about the benefit of ginger when you have an upset stomach, or you can make yourself a nice lovely ginger tea and honey and put a piece of a lemon inside of it. Basically it also good for upset stomach. Basically if you make like a hot cup of ginger tea and have it at home, and I'm going to show you how you can do this one. Lovely and nice. So basically if you want to make yourself some ginger tea at home, basically this part of the grater is really good to use. Don't use this side unless you're going to boil it in the pot. This side you can use this side and also this side, but I like to use this part of the grater. Second thing, get a nice lovely fat chunk piece of a ginger like this and remove the skin from the ginger like this. So I'm using a very small knife, not a big one, and I'm gonna simple peel the ginger. Nice one. So this is exactly what I'm talking about right here. So I peel the ginger, and what we're gonna do is to use this side of the grater, and I'm gonna just grater it. Nice one. So as I can see, this is it right here, and it's very more better, easy and quicker. Then next I'm gonna use this glass which you can see inside of it. I would normally use my mug, but I'm gonna use this one which you can see what I'm doing. So basically what you need to do is get 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, put it straight inside of it just like that. 1 teaspoon of honey, and then I get some lemon, two nice lovely slices of lemon, put it straight inside of it. Then put some boiling water, and after you do that, just get a piece of cling. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to leave this for roughly about 5 minutes for it to steam. As you can see, after it's steam and sweat all of the ginger and the lemon, going to be sweat out inside of it. And basically, honey is really good for you guys. So we're gonna leave that for 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So now it's 5 minutes. Now we're gonna remove this. And basically, the best time to have this is in the morning before breakfast time, and in the evening before you go to your bed. You can have it in the day also, and it's really nice and it's good for you. I'm gonna put some more information below. You can see the benefit of ginger and lemon, how it's good for upset stomach. Guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel. I get the request for it, and I'm definitely gonna deliver it. So guys, thank you so much, and hopefully we can come in better in the future. See you next time. This is from Chef Ricardo.